Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this X800 foldable drone by SYMA. If I can open the box here, there we go. Okay, let's turn it on. Let's turn this on. Usually you just push down, up and down, and then we're ready to fly. So all right, we'll back off a little bit here. Okay, well, that's pretty sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and take it in the living room where I got a little bit more space. Show you guys what it is right there, but it hovers pretty good. Like it kind of bumped into me, but these blade guards are pretty sweet. Protected me from getting all chopped up there from crashing, so that's kind of nice. So yeah, we'll take it in the living room, maybe outside if it's nice later, and show you guys what this thing can do. There it is. We took it outside, but it's a little windy outside. This thing flies really good in the house, but if it's a little windy, you got to be careful because this thing is so light, the wind can really toss it around. But yeah, pretty cool for sure. It can do flips and stuff like that. Just figuring out how to drive it right now, but it's pretty steady. And the green lights, you can tell that's the forward. You can do headless mode also. So some pretty cool features there. And then you can also fly it with your app, get the video on there, see what kind of videos it can take. It's probably decent camera footage. Just a little afraid to take it outside. We live by the coast, so it's kind of windy sometimes, and I don't want this thing to get blown away if I get it too high and have to go track it down. But for like indoor flying and stuff like that, or if you're at the park, we got a lot of room, we're not gonna lose it. This thing will be pretty sweet. Steer pretty good. Oh yeah. See you land it. Land it? Land it. It does have little up down buttons. Land it on that little black patch, that brown patch right there. Okay. Yeah. Can he do it? Oh, I thought you heard. Yeah, he can turn, do flips and stuff too. This guy. All right. Always getting in. Oh, it's pretty good. All right, my friends. Pretty sweet. This thing is like super lightweight. A lot of fun to fly. Thanks for watching this video.